morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, and today I have with me my receptionist, Stephanie, and this cute little Pomeranian mix. Her name is Bella. Bella is actually 9 years old, and she presented in early September for basically what we call a geriatric workup. And what that means is her owners wanted to make sure everything in Bella's system was normal because she is now considered a senior dog. We actually consider your dog a senior when they turn the age of 7. They actually saw one of our programs on television and heard our programs on the radio talking about how important this type of care is. And what we did is we went in and we actually did blood work on Bella, which that told us a lot. We did an ultrasound. I looked at her liver, I looked at her gallbladder, I looked at her spleen, her liver, her kidneys, everything inside her abdomen, including her heart, to make sure there were no abnormalities. We also took urine from Bella, and that showed us a lot of stuff that we wouldn't have known before, because at this point, Bella wasn't showing any type of clinical signs. They just wanted to make sure she was healthy. Turns out Bella is a diabetic. The way we found out Bella was a diabetic is her glucose, when we tested it the first time, was elevated. We went ahead and we did the ultrasound. I also found out she has some gallbladder sludge that could lead to gallbladder stones. We started treating that. And her liver enzymes were elevated. None of this would have been found unless we would have done this profile to find out how Bella was internally. Because like I said, your pets can't talk and sometimes they don't show clinical signs. Well, we had him fast Bella, bring her back a week later. We redid her blood work, and she is a true diabetic. Bella is actually here today not only for the segment, but she is actually getting a glucose curve. And what a glucose curve is we actually check her glucose every 2 hours because her owner is now giving her insulin at home. We check her glucose every 2 hours to see how her body is responding to the insulin and to see if we need to go up on the insulin dose or down on the insulin dose. She's also going to have her gallbladder rechecked. So it is so important, guys, not to just come in every year just to get the physical exam with the vaccines. If your pet's starting to age, we can find out disease before they show signs. We can give you extra years with your pet. If that owner wouldn't have heard about that or had that in his mind to bring her in, she would still be at home and she would still be suffering from the effects of diabetes. And I know a lot of you people out there either suffer from diabetes or have loved ones with diabetes. It affects dogs in the same way. So if you have a dog at home, they may be drinking more than normal, urinating more than normal, or you just want to make sure they're healthy, make that call. It's very affordable and we can do it any day. And I promise Bella thanks her dad every day, and your pets will too. I hope you have a great day.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.